In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an audio wave in Kapwing. Whether you're creating engaging social media content, a podcast, or a school project, adding an audio wave can be a great way to visually represent the audio you're working with. Let's dive in and explore how easy it is to add this dynamic feature to your projects. To begin, make sure you have your project loaded up in Kapwing. If you're new to Kapwing, it's an online video editing tool that allows you to create content simply and effectively. Once your project is ready, locate the audio track that you wish to add a waveform to. Click on your audio and you'll notice some features appear, which are specific to the audio editing tools available in the software. This brings us to the heart of the task, adding the waveform. Once you've clicked on your audio track, look towards the side menu for the edit options. Here, you'll notice an option labeled Add Waveform. This option is key to bringing your audio visualization to life. When you click Add Waveform, the waveform will automatically be applied to your audio. This seems simple, but it's a powerful feature that can add significant value to your content by providing a visual rhythm corresponding to the audio. Kapwing also offers you the flexibility to customize this waveform to better match your content and style. You'll find options to change the color of the waveform. This is a wonderful way to ensure that the waveform complements your project's aesthetic. To do this, simply choose your preferred color from the palette made available. This feature not only personalizes your project but also enhances its visual appeal, making it instantly recognizable and attuned to your brand or personal style. To make the most of this feature, consider the mood of your audio and the message of your project when selecting a color. Bright colors might work well for upbeat or promotional videos, whereas more subdued tones might be appropriate for somber or serious topics. This attention to detail is what makes your content stand out and communicate more effectively with your audience. And there you have it. By using Kapwing's straightforward interface, you've easily added a dynamic audio waveform, and by harnessing the customization options, tailored it to perfectly fit your project. This feature not only elevates the professionalism of your work, but also ensures that your content is engaging and visually driven. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped enhance your Kapwing projects with these visually appealing audio waves. Don't forget to experiment and have fun with the creative possibilities this tool has to offer. Until next time, happy editing!